How to delete copied messages in WhatsApp. Hello guys, this is Atticus, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how you can delete copied messages in your WhatsApp. So without any further ado, let's jump right into it. First of all, open up your WhatsApp. Now head over to the text, and let's say that I have just copied this text. Now what will happen is when I go to the text message, that is the texting place, just paste it and you will see that I can paste the text that I just copied. Now I can keep on doing this, but if you don't want to do this anymore, what you'll then need to do is just leave it as it is. You don't really need to do anything to delete the copied messages. The other thing that you can do is simply select something else and copy that. Now after I've done this, if I just paste it, you'll notice that nothing happens. Now all you need to do is replace the copied text with another text by copying it. And yeah, that is basically it guys. That is how you delete or remove copied messages on WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.